Dorgu, oh my days! Hey, bro! Hey, Faz! Outside now, blood! What's man talking?
Oh, what a strike that is! Oh my God, what a strike! Oh, Dorgu with an absolute perler. And Manchester United take the lead, 24 minutes. They've barely set foot in the Newcastle half, let's be honest. They've done nothing in the opening 25 minutes. They get a corner, the ball spins up in the air, and Dorgu, I mean, it's terrible defending from Newcastle. How have they let him get to this ball? But he runs onto it, and it's an absolutely insane finish. Fair play to the lad. Absolute credit to Dorgu. This is splendid. Absolutely incredible finish. He catches this so sweetly. It's not even a corner, sorry. It's a throw-in. It's a throw-in. The ball pings up in the air.
And it's a hit, and it's a goal. And it's Dorgu who has scored for Manchester United on the volley.
Jammy fucker.
And
it's a great strike.
Beautiful finish, Billy, to be fair. But we shouldn't be losing this game. We're against fucking shite, man. So annoying when 1-0 down, Billy. My God.
Poor defending there, wasn't it? To not win the header in the first place.
Again, Billy, how high was the clearance? And where was the Newcastle players reacting to the header from Voltemada's clearance? Where was the reaction?
All from the chow clear.
Dorgu! I can't believe I just cussing him. I was just cussing him. Oh my God. Dorgu! What a finish! Ooh! I was cussing. Yo! Roy! What was that? He sent the players around. I've got to stand up. Dogs! Ah. Gotta give the youth time.
I was vulnerable. Ball into the box. It's clear. Dorgu with a shot. And it's a goal to United. Ah, Christ. Patrick Dorgu on 24 minutes has just got United a goal. They rung United, that is, down to Ramsdale's right hand, right into the corner, to be fair. And that's all come from literally us not dealing with that long ball forward, and giving Manchester United that opportunity just to get something going. It's a poor clearance from Chow to start with. It's not a poor clearance. He's just got to clear his lines, but we just don't deal with it. And on the volley, it was a great volley, to be fair, from Dorgu, from the long throw-in. Voltemada gets his head on it, he just headers it up in the air, and then literally from around about 16 yards out.
Oh, Dorgu with an absolute Christmas thunderbolt. Look at the hit, son. It's fucking pure. Have some of that, Geordies, you bunch of fucking charters. Yes, boys, they've been having us under the cosh for 20 minutes in this game, but Patrick Dorgu has just banged one from distance, mate. Oh, my goodness. He's wrapped his left stick around there, and it's absolutely pinged into the bottom left-hand bin from distance. What a fucking hit, son. Patrick Dorgu with an absolute thunderbolt. Have another look at this. There's a long throw in there by Dallo on the left. It pinballs around, it comes out, and Dorgu's just smashed it edge of the box on his left foot first time.
I've never heard of that in my life, brother. Can't lie. Oh, they fucking scored. Dorgu. Happy Dorgu day, guys. Mad finish as well. What a goal. Told you, when you got Ramsdale in goal, you got a chance. Dickheads. That goal was cold, I can't lie. Big up AK. Brother, you're out of there soon anyway.
Come on, United. Merry Christmas, says Gaz. Dorgu! Oh, what a goal! Well, Gaz, what a time to say that! What a hit by Dorgu! I've told you this lad has to be given time. I've told you this lad can be a prospect. And out of absolutely nothing, that is a Christmas cracker by Dorgu on his left foot. We weren't really in the game. For the last 20 minutes, we've done sod all. And it comes loose on the edge of the box. And it's a Christmas cracker from Dorgu who volleys it in to the bottom corner. And I think he shut up a lot of people there. What a hit by Dorgu. And Manchester United lead 1-0. Let me have a look at this again. It's a screamer. It's headed out to the edge of the box. On the volley, bang.
Dorgu! Oh my God, what a goal. I can't even hate on that goal. That's an unbelievable volley from Dorgu there. What a volley. What a volley. My God. I want to hate and say it's jammy, but I can't even say anything. That is an unreal volley right there. Oh my days. Oh my days. Unbelievable volley. Like, that's legitimately an unbelievable volley right there. That is legit an unbelievable volley. I can't even hate.
Smoking cigar. Dorgu, oh my days! Oi, bro! Oi, Faz! Outside now, blood! What's man talking about? Outside now, blood! It's crazy work! Hey, bro! Hey, outside! Is man alright? Brother, what a strike! Oh my days! Oh my days! Yo! Brother, Dorgu, fam! Oh my days, what a strike, man. Oh my days, my shooter. Boom! Man said hold. What a strike. Brother, what a hit, you know. Oh my days. Dorgu, blood.
What? Dorgu goal! Oh! Whoa! Patrick Dorgu! Oh my! Great finish! Great finish!
Speak of the fucking devil. Absolutely fucking shit at the back today. Hey, Linker. Bro. The guy doesn't score goals. I was just chatting about him. From a long throw. What is going on? Any offset? Oh, fuck's sake, man.
Long throw from Dalo. Voltamata heads it away. Falls to Patrick Dorgu. Oh my gosh, what a finish! Oh my gosh, what a finish from Patrick Dorgu. I didn't know he had that in his locker. 23rd minute, and we're up 1-0. Somehow, some way, it's a Christmas miracle. How? Patrick Dorgu of all people. What a hit! Everybody's been doubting the man. He was actually a right wing this whole time.